Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to show you organizer for tools. Okay, organizer box. This is the organizer box and this is the another picture and this is the real pictures. Okay, multifunctional plastic tool box. This is the toolbox, removable design, portable suitcase. This is the also portable suitcase and large capacity storage box. This is the price and 46% discount for you. Please check description link for your order and get 46% discount and only 10 left, only 10 devices left. Okay, so hurry up and check description link for your order and get 46% discount. This is the all pictures, move, inserts, free grid. Okay, flexible access to external parts boxes. Wow, strong PP material. And this is the pictures, inner and real pictures. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and check description link and get 46% discount.